Okay, I just downloaded this. One of the guys on YouTube had this contactor that he had made for his shark. So he sent me the link to Amazon, so I picked this up, and it's like $17. So the pennies was a little bit different, but it's basically the same. And I basically wired my grounds to get my ground together, and then I wired my neutral from the router side to the power uh, together, and then I put my neutral to my coil down at the bottom, and then I made this little box on the CNC machine, and I'm getting ready to put the lid on it, and this will hold my cords down right in here. And then at the end of these, I tagged the cables to the controller. This is out to a 20 amp outlet, and then this one goes to the routers. This is to the routers. So anyway, we'll put the lid on it and get it down in there. And little box I made on the CNC machine with a box joint jig, and we'll be ready to roll here in just. All right, this little contactor worked out real well. It's working just fine. I sanded it and painted it black. Bought some extension cords. That's what I used it to make it with. There it is, tie wrapped underneath my CNC machine with the variable speed router control, and it's working great. Thanks for the idea, and thanks for the help.